Yeah, I suspect we all fall into the camp of generally pretty positive on the panel, but if I pick up that theme, I'm definitely in that space, and in my experience over a number of different sectors, clearly at the moment the motor sector, it is market dislocation or disruption that has created opportunity for the companies that have got the capacity to invest and innovate. And I think if I pick up the last word there, I think a number of the market sectors where there has been disruption within which I've been involved, it has on a number of occasions been as a consequence of crisis. Financial services sector is clearly one at 2008-09. I was in the rural and banking sector in the early 2000s when foot and mouth disease was going to close down the British countryside, and that was a massive moment in time for that part of the industry. Now, those were kind of crisis-led opportunities. I think the subtle difference here is yes, there's regulation, yes, there's new legislation, but I don't think any of us will have worked in a sector where there isn't always those issues prevailing somewhere beneath the surface. I think the massive difference this time to me is that there is burgeoning opportunity in innovation. So it feels to me like it's market disruption that is innovation-led, and I think that creates some really interesting opportunities for us. Yes, it creates the opposite of risk, but perhaps, and my last comment on this, because we'll probably pick up one or two of the other themes, is that it actually creates, the biggest single challenge for me is that it creates one of simplification. There's so much that all of us could have a go at that I suspect if we did, we would do a lot of it not very well. Our bigger challenge, I think, is to decide where the biggest benefits are going to be gained, where we can scale it and make it impactful for our customers, and then invest and accelerate in that. But excited, yes, but very thoughtful about how we deploy it to make the biggest impact.